Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. And for today's video, as you can see, I am going to be showing you how to create this simple, cute, easy and elegant natural hairstyle on your hair. I promise it is so quick and so easy. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, for always coming here to support my channel and to watch my videos whenever I post a new video. And if this is your first time to be here, subscribe to my channel, like this video and watch this video to the end without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. And you also want to consider putting on the notification bell so that you will be notified once I post a new video. I hope you are doing amazing and well wherever you are watching me right now. And by the way, did you know that you are so beautiful? Did you know that you are fearfully and wonderfully made? So let us begin. So guys, for this hairstyle, you will need to separate your hair like so. The first section like that, and then a smaller section on the right, and then another smaller section on the left, and then the other section at the back, as you will see in a few. So for this hairstyle, you will want to consider doing it on straight hair, but if your hair is long, you may not need to stretch your hair. But if your hair is medium length like mine, you may want to consider stretching your hair for everything to be easy and quick for you. But if your hair is short for this hairstyle, you may want to consider also using extensions or other hairs that you can add to your hair. So I'm just moisturizing my hair with Afro moisturizing butter, and then as I told you earlier, you can see you want to separate your hair like so at the back, a smaller section at the bottom, and then you leave another section at the top. And then I'm just applying Cantu styling gel just to soften my edges. For me, it's not all about laying the edges, as long as they are soft and looking good, that is okay for me. So I'm just flat twisting that front section, but I'm not going to flat twist the whole section. I'm just trying to just make sure that my baby hairs are secured well, and then I'm just going to hold that section of the hair on top, and then I'm going to tie it with a hairband, as you are going to see in a few. What you wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you. So basically now here I'm just going to create a flat twist like that. It is just so short. Turn it to an ocean, let me float around. Eyes closed. And then also on the other section I am going to do the same thing. So you see guys, this is very simple and very quick. And when it comes to natural hair, make sure that you have fun with your hair. That is the best thing about styling my natural hair. It makes me feel good, it makes me feel motivated, it makes me feel just that feeling of just wanting to take care of my hair. And now we are going to work with the back section. Separate into two sections like that, and then roll and then tie it at the top, the first section, and then we are going to do the same thing with the other section, and then secure with a hairpin. As I told you, this is very simple and very quick. And then the other section we are going to do the same thing. We take one section like that, and then we secure with a hairpin, make sure that you hide the pins, and then the other section you repeat the same thing. So that is how everything is looking like. So you may not need to do the way I am doing it. You can decide to just tie your hair in a bun, or maybe if you're using an extension, you can also just add an extension. So we are now working at the front section. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just working around with my hair just to make my hair look the way I want it to look. And when you are styling your hair, especially in front like that, you want to consider also the way your face is going to look like, because it is very, very, very important. So I'm just rolling my hair like that and then pinning with the hairpins like that. So it is very, very, very simple and very quick. As I told you, this hairstyle is so quick and so easy.
Falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
So now I'm just adding in these hair accessories just to complete my look and make it look more cute and more beautiful. So I'm adding this also to my hair twists. And then make sure that after you have added those, I don't know how they are called, I have forgotten the name, but after fixing it to the twist, you want to make sure that at the end you want to tie a knot so that they will not fall. But when you are tying a knot, make sure that the knot that you are tying, it is a knot that is not going to bring problems when you are undoing this hairstyle. So be very, very, very careful when you are doing this.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
I am done, so let me go and dress up for this look. So this is how I am looking like. So this is how I am gonna be stepping out in this look. I really, really enjoyed creating this hairstyle, and I really loved the way it really came out. I just felt so beautiful and so good in this hairstyle. I felt so confident and so motivated. Like, I felt so nice. Whenever I do my natural hair, whenever I wear my natural hair, I feel so nice and I feel so good. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this video, guys, in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up, and share this video to your friends and family so that they can also watch. Thank you so much for watching my video to this end. I really appreciate you. Are amazing and there's no one like you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.